So once we've done all of this research and now we've decided on a name, the next step is to actually purchase the name. So if you ever have these questions about what else do I need to research before I actually decide on a business name and where do I go to buy one, what are the steps that I take, then this video is for you. I'm Blogging Brandy and this is BLABoss, where I teach you how to brand like a boss so that people will want to blab about your brand. But be sure to stay tuned until the end of this video because you're going to want to get all of this amazing stuff in a guide to follow. And I'm going to show you how to put all of this together and essentially create a brand. So the first step is to purchase the domain name. I do this with Godaddy. You can purchase domain names from many places, but I just use Godaddy. Let's just search something that we want. Say we want to name our business Boss Business Guides, or we just want to see if the URL is available for this. So we're just going to type it in. We're going to hit search domain, and then we're going to see what pops up. So it says, yes, the .com is available. You also have the option to purchase the .net, org, info, and you can see all of these other options are available. You can do just guide instead of guides, or com, bossbusinessguides.com, or businessbossguides.com. You can see captainguide.com is a very expensive domain, and they range in price, but since this one is fairly unpopular, you can purchase bossbusinessguides.com for $2.99 with a 2-year registration, and that changes a little bit depending on how many years you register it. But I would just add the .com to your cart, and once it's been added to your cart, it will take you to this page and it says, what do you want to do with your domain? Now, it gives you the option to add privacy protection. I personally would add this because I did it one time with my very first URL and didn't because I was being cheap, and I got spammed for like a year. So it also tells people all of your information and who you are. So if you don't want people to know who owns that domain, then you can pay for this essentially like a proxy, and it covers up your information. So you're paying for your privacy. Now you can also have the option to start your website for free with GoDaddy's website builder. I would just leave that there. And then you can add email addresses to your order as well if you want to set up some type of email option to go along with your domain, and you can always add these things later on. But we're just going to continue to cart. So now we are at the final stage of the payment process, and you can choose to make a payment with PayPal or add some type of credit card. Right here where it says .com domain registration, you can choose how long you want. So if you want it for 1 year or 5 years, you do get a discount if you go ahead and purchase it longer, but either way you should be making money at that point and be able to afford your domain anyways a year from now. And it's telling you, oh, they're going to give me 33% off. I don't know about you. You can also look for coupon codes. Add domain name privacy, GoDaddy Central Website Builder, free trial. That's $0, and it's telling you it is $22.16 if we want to complete this purchase. I don't want to purchase this, so that's how you purchase a domain using GoDaddy. So whenever you build a business, you need what's called a branding kit. Tons of businesses have these branding kits, and you want to build one for yourself. So whether you hire a designer or whether you're just going back yourself to grab these things, you want to have all of these things in one place. So that's what I show you in my branding guide, is how to put all this stuff together and have it all in one place, so that it's a seamless process when you're getting ready to create your designs or your next video or blog post. It's all right there for you. You can pick that up in the description below this video. I'm Blogging Brandy. This is BLABoss, aka Brand Like a Boss. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.